The Bermuda Triangle is not famous because of stories. It is famous because of data that doesn't behave normally. Long before planes vanished, scientists noticed something strange about this region of the Atlantic. Compasses don't behave the way they should. Normally, a compass points toward magnetic north, not true north. This difference is known as magnetic declination. Pilots and sailors are trained to account for it everywhere on Earth, except in one place. For years, the Bermuda Triangle was one of the only regions on the planet where magnetic north and true north briefly aligned. Navigators crossing the area reported compass needles spinning, drifting, or pointing in conflicting directions. This wasn't folklore. It was logged by maritime authorities and pilots. Even today, the region experiences rapid magnetic drift, meaning Earth's magnetic field changes there faster than expected. Scientists still cannot predict these fluctuations accurately. Then there's the ocean itself. The Bermuda Triangle contains some of the deepest underwater trenches in the Atlantic, dropping suddenly from shallow water into depths exceeding 27,000 feet. These sharp drop-offs create extreme pressure changes and powerful vertical currents. Oceanographers have recorded rogue waves in this region, massive walls of water over 80 feet tall that appear without warning. These waves can swallow large ships whole and leave no wreckage floating on the surface. But waves alone don't explain aircraft losses. That's where the atmosphere comes in. Meteorologists studying the triangle discovered a rare phenomenon known as air bombs, or sudden downbursts. These are violent columns of descending air that slam into the ocean surface, producing hurricane-level winds in seconds. Aircraft caught inside them can lose lift instantly. Even more disturbing is what happens to electronics. Pilots have repeatedly reported total instrument failure inside the triangle. Not partial malfunction, complete blackout. Radios go silent, GPS drops, compasses freeze or spin. These reports exist in aviation logs, not just survivor stories. In 2016, scientists studying satellite data noticed hexagonal cloud formations over the Bermuda Triangle. These formations are associated with powerful microbursts, capable of generating winds exceeding 170 miles per hour. The formations appear suddenly and vanish just as fast. Time distortion reports add another layer. Multiple pilots and sailors have described entering a strange fog where visibility drops to zero and sound becomes muted. Inside these zones, engines sound distant and instruments behave erratically. When they emerge, they discover they've traveled impossible distances in too little time, or lost track of minutes or hours. No scientific model fully explains this. The U.S. Navy and Coast Guard officially deny the triangle is dangerous, yet internal reports acknowledge unusual navigation anomalies in the region. Insurance companies once charged higher premiums for ships passing through it, quietly acknowledging higher risk without explanation. Now the incidents. In 1918, the USS Cyclops vanished with 309 people on board. No storm was recorded. No distress signal was sent. The ship simply disappeared. Despite extensive searches, no wreckage was ever found. It remains the largest non-combat loss in U.S. naval history. In 1945, Flight 19 took off on a routine training mission. Experienced pilots, clear weather. During the flight, their leader reported that his compass had failed. Soon, all pilots reported the same. Radio recordings captured confusion as they realized nothing made sense anymore. One by one, the transmissions faded. 5 planes vanished. A rescue aircraft sent after them also disappeared. Even in modern times, incidents continue. In 2017, a small aircraft flying from Puerto Rico to Florida vanished mid-flight inside the triangle. Radar contact was lost suddenly. Despite modern tracking systems, no wreckage was recovered. Scientists have proposed explanations: methane gas eruptions, magnetic anomalies, extreme weather. But none explain all the data at once. The triangle remains one of the few places on Earth where navigation systems fail simultaneously, weather forms without warning, the ocean erases evidence rapidly, and disappearances occur without distress calls. The mystery isn't that people vanish there. The mystery is why this specific region behaves differently from the rest of the planet. After centuries of study, satellites, sonar, and science, the Bermuda Triangle still refuses to explain itself.